What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Carvana stock. And are we going to have an island reversal on Carvana? We'll talk about all of that in this video. Now, what is island reversal? Well, first of all, what that is that when we have a massive gap up, but then stock price fails to continue to make higher highs and then reverses from the low of that island formation and then gaps down and then falls back. So it forms an island up on the top. That's an island reversal. Is Carvana forming that pattern? We'll talk about that in this video. Once I also let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Also, guys, if you are interested to follow along the journey of mine as for the my dividend investing portfolio that I'm building, subscribe to this channel, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, to learn about as how I'm growing this portfolio and the moves that I'm making. All right. Okay. So let's come back to Carvana here and let's talk about a couple of things. So we had earnings and this thing gapped up. That's great. All right. And then we started selling off, came back down, found support just at pretty much the gap up place of where it after post earnings it gapped up, right? We tried to go up, but then we are forming a lower high here. So this tells us that there's a selling pressure coming in and it's struggling to hold on to this gap and failing to continuing to go higher. This is not even a pullback. If it would have been a pullback into this second lower high, then we wanted to, we don't want to be coming in this low with the lower high. That for a potential pullback, we wanted to stay a little bit high up here and then continue higher. All right, well, even if we have come lower, but we wanted to see a formation like a pivot of such type. We didn't get that. Now, is it confirmed gonna fall? No. Well, that's where the thing is that with the break of the level, it could be tried to trade to the downside, but this most likely to me looks like a formation of island reversal, and this thing, as if it loses the level of 112, has more room to come to the downside. So let's go to the 4 hours interval. Let's take a look at a couple of things over there. The price action. So where is the structure for back again to the upside if we want to do that? So the way Carvana can continue higher is if on Monday it can get above $119. If it can do that, that will start to show some good bounce back again. But at this point, I would say that sure, if it goes above that $119, eventually just wait for it to get out of this trend line, guys, because this trend line has formed two pivots. So if you want to play long on this, you want to get out of this trend line to the upside. Now let's go to the hourly interval. And that's where now, since we have this 200 hours moving average here as well, and let me just really quickly check something on my indicator here, guys. Here we go. All right, and guys, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so with Carvana here, guys, on hourly interval, the thing is that we have already started to form this lower highs here, and you can see such a sell-off happening over here in this zone. Right, we had these let me see, here we go, we had these, and let me change the color of this to red. We had these wicks forming over here, right? So many wicks forming, sell-off pressure, and then lately as well, this is the zone you can see that Carvana has been selling off, right? So at this point, if Carvana loses the 200 hours moving average with the break of the level of 115 to the downside, you can expect this thing to fizzle out down. And as for any structure change back to the upside, guys, wait for 50, it get above 50 hours moving average. But I would say not just that, eventually I would want to see it get above this trend line as well. Otherwise there's a possibility that if it goes above 117, it can tap out at 121 with this trend line and then again go lower. So you have to be trading this very carefully. Upside right now is looking less possible, and most likely some structure break can come to the downside as if we lose 200 hours moving average and as we continue to just keep this lower high. Okay, it doesn't have to happen right away, but the upside play would be confirmed. Good upside play from here on would be if structure can become back to the upside above at least 120 $1 level or above that trend line. Otherwise, most likely it's just going to fizzle. Has more possibility of staying bearish or choppy, but structure is weak. Structure is looking to the downside to me, in my opinion. All right. And we have news here that Carvana insiders sold worth 14 million. Yeah, why not? They're here to make money as well. Let them make money as well, guys. And Carvana expect surge in, well, they're just expecting it. Not much major news. So anyways, guys, that was all for this video. So just wanted to share my opinion regarding Carvana here. And if you found this video helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.